HUME Health App Review. This app features itself as a health all-star, tracking weight, body composition, syncing with Apple Google Health, even wrapping AI-driven coaching into your everyday. No subscription needed, though premium perks are available. Fan says the interface is clean, motivational, and helps connect the dots between your habits and your body's changes. One trainer noted that BodyPod Plus, the app makes body composition tracking fun and insightful. Users report with fluctuations, missing data, and goals getting wiped out after deleting a reading. This is a sleek app, granular health tracking, motivational visuals, but sometimes it may get buggy, widely inaccurate, unreliable customer support. Likewise, some users even tried returning it via bank chargeback. If you're chasing granular body comp data and vibe tech, there is a potential, but if you need something stable, trustworthy, and friction-free, maybe tread carefully. And that's a wrap for this video. If this was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.